Hi everyone, today we'll show you how to install the gas pressure system's Caramatic SafeDrive and SafeDrive PLUS with crash sensor, along with some installation tips. We will begin our presentation with the Caramatic SafeDrive, which is specifically designed for utilizing a single gas cylinder. First, connect the cutting ring fitting of the gas hose to the fixed pipeline of the vehicle. Then you attach the gas hose by screwing it onto the compression fitting of the Caramatic SafeDrive unit. Finally, attach the pressure regulation system to the valve of the gas bottle and tighten the connection with the mini tool. Tighten the hose line connection securely, and that's all. The installation process for the Caramatic SafeDrive PLUS on two-cylinder system is equally fast and straightforward. We will show you. First, connect one of the two hose lines between the central regulator and the pipeline. The second hose line is then used to connect the central and changeover regulators. Now attach the central and changeover regulators to the two gas cylinders, tighten with the mini tool, secure the connections on the hoses, and that's it. Finally, a few installation tips for you that apply to both system types, both the Caramatic SafeDrive and the Caramatic SafeDrive PLUS. After attaching it directly to the gas cylinder valve, it is absolutely essential to make sure to fully extend the support feature here. When you loosen the clamp screw, you are extending the support and it will automatically slide out on its own without requiring any additional effort from you. Ensure to firmly secure the clamping screw once more. Additionally, please make sure that both feet are truly and directly resting stably on the gas cylinder. And because this question tends to come up quite frequently, it doesn't really matter how you position the gas pressure regulator system, whether it's for the single-cylinder system or the two-cylinder system. Whether facing the direction of travel or opposite to it makes absolutely no difference at all. You can decide that yourselves, just like the installation situation in the gas cylinder locker. By pressing the green button, you activate the system and ensure the continuous gas flow in the entire system. In the event that the crash sensor is activated, you can simply reset it by pressing the green button, which will restore everything to normal operating conditions. And finally, but very, very importantly, after the installation, please be sure to carry out a simplified leak test and then visit immediately a G607 expert or an authorized specialist workshop to perform a tightness evaluation on the system and to make sure the system is thoroughly documented in the official inspection log. We hope we were able to clearly demonstrate how to install Caramatic SafeDrive and Caramatic SafeDrive PLUS. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to comment below. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.